Sometimes you want to paint and you want to create something only to realize that you don't have ink at home. In our kitchen we have a vast amount of colors that we can use. So today I'm going to teach you how to make watercolors with all the colors that you have in your kitchen. Hi everyone, my name is Laura and welcome to CasaCaribe. We're going to use the following ingredients, but you don't need them all to create the watercolors. The baking soda and the vinegar is to change the color of the red cabbage. First, we remove the first layer of the red cabbage. That is normally a layer that we throw away because it's damaged. Then we start to cut this layer in small pieces. We do the same with all of the layers that we're going to use, but 1 or 2 layers like this is fine. Then we put everything in a small pot. We put water and heat. We leave on the stove for at least 20 minutes. You're going to see that the color is start to get out. In the meanwhile, we're going to prepare the coffee and the tea. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of coffee and 2 tablespoons of tea. The color of the tea really depends on the type of tea you have. This is a tea with roses, so the color is more red. Then we pour boiling water in both of them. We mix and let the water take all the color for at least 20 minutes again. Now that we have extracted all the color from the red cabbage, we're going to put it into 3 different containers. This is because with the red cabbage you can obtain a different colors. It depends on the pH of the water. In the first container we're going to put 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And you can see that it's already changing color. And in a different one, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And in the middle, we're going to leave it neutral. Acid is pink, the neutral is purple. And then with alkaline it's blue, but it will become green later. So now that we have all our colors, we can start painting. This color is from avocado skins that I made in a different video. I'm going to link up here and down in the description. And this other color is from onion skins that I also made a different video explaining, and I'm going to link that video too. Remember to clean the brush when you change color. This is the color from coffee. The color from the tea. This is the color for turmeric powder. And now we're going to see the difference with the red cabbage. So this is neutral. I'm going to put it in the middle. This is acid with vinegar. And this is acid with baking soda. I'm going to do this circle so you get a better perception of the color. So we have tea, turmeric powder, coffee, avocado skin, onion skin, red cabbage, neutral in the middle, with vinegar, and with baking soda. This will become green later, as I said before. For me, personal botanical colors never stop to amaze me. So this is our all colors that you can use with your kids, so you can have a family time with them, and you can also store them on a jar in the kitchen or even in the fridge. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comments. Remember, thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe please to help me grow my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.